This will be my first attempt at weathering an N-scale locomotive. This is a ScaleTrains Norfolk Southern. Right now I've got everything taped off. Next we'll do a couple of layers of dull coat, then start with dirt and grime and exhaust. See how we end up. Okay, so here's the completed Tier 4 GEVo that I did. First time using an airbrush to weather. I used True Color mud for the trucks and the base up here, weathering powders around the exhaust, and gray around the decals to kind of fade them out, a little bit up top. Turned out okay. I think the brown might be a little too brown, but I did this based off ScaleTrains. Posted a video of one of the guys weathering their Norfolk Southern like this, and mine is pretty much spot on for what his did. Those are the streaks from the fuel coming down. Did flat black with that. And between all the different layers of paint and weathering powders, I've got about 12 layers of dull coat and sealant. So far, so good. Next is to clean the wheels and put her to work.